Welcome back, travel agents. I hope you are learning a ton. So, just before we get started, my #1 rule when posting is to never post anything that's not edited. I'm not talking about going overboard with your editing and changing your body parts or adding in things that weren't actually there, but some minor editing is an absolute must. And I'll show you some examples too. First things first, pull out your phone right now, go to your app store and download Snapseed. This is my favorite editing app. So while there are tons of different photo editing apps out there, this is my personal favorite and the one we're gonna focus on today. And I don't know if I mentioned, it's free. Again, get that phone, Snapseed right now, and let's get started. So while social media accounts like Instagram and others, they do have some cool photo editing capabilities, to have a really eye-catching account with stunning photos, you really need a photo editor, just to kind of spruce up your images beyond the basics and really get that image. There are things in photo editing apps like Snapseed that can help you with resizing your photos, different editing tools including basics like cropping, rotating, and then you can get a little bit more advanced features like white balance, double exposure, lens blur, tonal contrast, tons of different options. You can get really, really deep in this. We're gonna stay a little bit basic, but take a look here. You can clearly see one has been edited and that although the first picture isn't terrible, just a little edit really helped that photo pop. I'm gonna walk you through editing one quick photo now, and then I highly recommend checking out some more in-depth videos that'll really teach you about how to edit and all the different editing features available to you on Snapseed. So we have Snapseed downloaded on our phones. So we're gonna go into the app. You're gonna open and select any photo that you wanna edit. This is the photo I choose to edit right now. You're gonna go into Tools. We're gonna go into Tune Image. Here you're gonna increase the brightness of the image just a little bit, not too much, but I find the photos I should say not usually as bright as I would like. So we're gonna brighten that to about a 35. And check that off, so that saves. We're gonna go back into Tools. You're gonna go to Brush. You're gonna select Saturation. This is where we're gonna get that pop, those colors to pop. So you select Saturation. You're gonna brush over anything that you wanna kinda highlight, any colors that you wanna update the contrast on. Whoop. This is just show you a better view of that. We'll brush over the blue a little bit, make that sky a little bluer. And then we're gonna check that box off. I would like to crop this photo a little bit, so we're gonna go into Tools. You're gonna go into Crop. And I'm gonna take that boat out, crop this in a little. I do want it to be a little bit more horizontal, so we're gonna bring that down just like that and hit check. And then we're good, I like it. What we can also do, I wanna show you this tool. You can go into Tools, Selective. Here you can select any area to highlight specifically that area. So I'm gonna select my mom and I. I'm gonna brighten us up a little bit and check. We're gonna export and save that. And now I'm gonna show you the difference. And there you go. And with this photo editing app, you can instantly up your social media game. So now we talked about getting that good photo and editing. Now let's dig a little deeper into videos.